I see I'm not the only one out here braving the cold weather to get on the bike. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. Yes, sir. Just coming out here to my friend's detailing shop. I haven't been there since it's got the brick and mortar, so I'm gonna go check it out. It's probably not, they're probably closed today. I'm pretty sure they're closed today, but I'm just gonna go over there, drop a little card, and take a few pics and send it to him just for the heck of it. Just for fun. So we're gonna have some fun with that, but it's always fun to come out here and ride, man. I love it.
Oh,
how's it going, man?
good.
Good.
A little chilly today.
Yeah. Gotta bundle up a little bit.
Yeah. Like Blue Creek High School.
Oh, okay. Check me out.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man.
Actually, I own that motorcycle shop that's right on the other side of the bridge.
Oh, okay. Nice. I'm gonna go check out one of my friend's detailing shops. His shop is over here somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah. If we're sitting still like this, it's okay. I say when we're sitting still like this, it's okay.
Yeah, I know.
Sorry, my guy. I just don't want to stop for red lights. Oh man. Alright, until we get to my friend's shop. Well, I made it to my friend's shop. First time ever being out here, but like I said, it's a weekend. They're not here. They usually don't do weekends unless it's like a special project or something like that. So, but here is his shop right here. It is called Detailed Life. And so if you ever have anything you need to do bike wise, cars, he's he does a good job. And so I'm probably going to end up bringing the bike to him in spring to have him redo or do the bike over again. As you guys know, I had it done once, but it's going to come up on that time to just redo it and touch up on it again. So I'll have him redo it in the springtime. But yeah, if you guys have anything, hey man, hit my boy up. I left him my calling card. And so yeah. So, but that's pretty much it. I wanted to just come out here. I'm out riding, and so I just wanted to come out here and really just kind of look at his spot, because like I said, I've never been here, and so I was overdue for a visit to his spot. It's just obviously unfortunate I didn't see him because he's not here. Duh. And so, but it's cool. I'm glad that I know where it's at now. And so that way, whenever I come back, hopefully it won't take me too long to get here. But yeah, time to get back on the road. And as always, I appreciate you guys coming along with me. I appreciate you guys sitting and watching me just kind of do my thing, man. Because I know that we all like to ride. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the share and hit the like. And then we'll see you guys here on the next one, man. Peace out.